welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and today we will be cash stuffing my second paycheck of June, and we will be stuffing $462. So one thing I want to talk to you guys about before we actually get started is I'm thinking about not cash stuffing all of my envelopes for maybe a month or two, and try to put all my money that I would actually stuff but actually put it towards debt. And I'm thinking about only stuffing like a few envelopes, which I think would be possibly travel, because I think I get paid one more time before we go on our vacation, emergency, school, and I think that will be it, and beauty for when we go on our vacation. But I really want to try to get this debt down as much as I can, so that's what I'm thinking about doing. I'm not too sure about it, but if it does happen, I will still put out a cash stuffing video, but it just wouldn't be as like extensive as it normally is. But I know you're probably sick of me talking and you came here for the cash stuffing, so we're about to get into it. All right, you guys, so we're gonna start in my purple binder. And yes, I did hurt my thumb again at work. I'm always getting hurt, like I told you guys. So I told you that I wasn't stuffing my gas envelope because I'm just leaving that 25 in there. It's too much to explain. I explained it in my budget with me. I'm still struggling to this day. So yeah, gas is not getting stuffed. Told you I spent every single penny or every single dollar, because you see I got some cents in there. So let's take this out and put it in my cup. And let's pray I don't mess up or misplace no money. So spending was getting 50. So we said 2 20s and a 10. Let's pray. So 20, 40, 50. And I might be going to see Fast and the Furious today, so had to make sure I got this video out. Medical. Oh, let's write this down. What color? Let's do orange. I never do orange. So medical will be getting 5. So I need to do a unstuffing with me and switch out these bills, but I just haven't done it yet. So medical has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Shoes. This check will be getting $20. So now we have 20, 30, 40, 50, which is not too bad because this pair of Jordans I saw was only $90. So I only need $40 more. Okay, gaming will be getting 5. Look, it's this freaking Band-Aid. Okay, so gaming has 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 41, 42, 43, and 44. So in gaming we added 5, 44. Subscriptions will be getting 10. So now we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 71. All we need is another 10 and then we done with subscriptions. Won't have to stuff this anymore. And You know, it would be nice if I actually started saving for Amazon, but it's kind of hard since it comes out every month. Extra, you know, we do at the end. Beauty is getting 50. So I think I said 2 20s and a 10. So now Beauty has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 200, 25. Did I say 25? Huh. I think I counted that wrong. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 96, 97. Yeah, I'm like, where I get 200 from? I was like, I know I ain't got no $200. At least not yet. It's coming. You just gotta give me a little bit more time, but it's gonna be there. All right, on to my till envelope, which I am still looking for a decal for it, but it's gonna come eventually. So, Christmas will be getting 25. So, 25. So on Christmas, we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56. 156 and Christmas. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today and are blessed to be here and have woken up this morning. So car is getting 25 as well. So now it has 25, 30, 31, 32, and 33. It's amazing how fast these envelopes grow when you just put, like, because 25 is not even a huge amount, but to see that it's already at 33 from 8. So travel is getting 75. So 50, 20, and a 5. Almost at a 10. Look, almost messed up. So in travel we have 51, 52, 53, 54, 20, 40, 60, 85, 25, 35, 45, 50. So we have 550 in travel. It would be nice if I did switch out my bills, because that would be way smaller, but it's not really going towards me. It's going to my brother and his friends, since they got the rental, so it doesn't matter what the amounts are. Home is only getting 10. I hope this 10, if I put it into the ATM, is not gonna be like my little $1 bill, because this 10 is raggedy. So home has 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90. We're at 190, which is good, because I'm trying to get me a new bed, because I need some drawers. Right now I got a portable closet, and that thing done fell apart on me. So it's either get another portable closet or get a bed with some drawers. So school is getting 27. So 20, 5, 7. So now we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, and 64. In school, I think we're like halfway there. which is amazing. 27 and then 64. Emergency was getting 30. Did I say a 20 and a 10? I think so. I mean, that's the only way you can really get 30. Alright, so our last 10. So emergency has 51, 50, 70, 90, 210, 230, 240, 250, 260, 270, 280, 81, 82, 83, and 84. So 284. And emergency. I know I'm going to be over 1,000 by the time I'm done with this challenge because I was already stuffing it. But we making it happen. 284. All right, savings is only getting $1. All right, so now savings has 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, and 35. I wish I could bulk this up a little bit more. Oh, so I think I might be getting a new car, because the car I got now be acting a fool. And the car dealership told us that if we go turn it in, we'll get full value for my car, because I guess that's like the promotion they're doing these days, since nobody's really buying a car because of COVID. And I'm like, oh, if I could just trade this in and I have to put no money down on another car, that's what we finna do. But I don't know. I really just want a cheaper car note, because if my car note can come down to 300 and something, that's an extra $100 and some odd that I could be putting in my envelopes or to debt instead of going to a car note. But so yeah, extra will be getting 129. So 125, 6, 7, 8, 9. Y'all, I think we made it through this video, this cash stuff, without no mistakes. First time in a long time. God had me. He was like, I ain't gonna let you keep making mistakes. So he held me the whole way through. So right now, emergency extra debt has 100, 200, 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and 75. So we're at 275. And extra. All right, you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. I will keep you up to date if I do get a new car on my lessons, because I might ask my dad or my mom and be like, just front me the little extra money to start getting in these lessons and stuff like that. I don't know. I'm gonna see what they say, but I'm gonna keep you guys up to date, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.